It's just one of those situations where, you do the best you can to keep everybody safe and comfortable and pets as well. And we'll just have to go another week. We don't expect anything this week. So plan for that, budget for that. And then as we get into next week, who knows, maybe something will change up. Hurricane Center's been talking about it being a very active season. We'll see about that, won't we? Let's go outside and see what we have at the moment. 360 Tower Cam. It's really not bad looking out there. It's beautiful if it just wasn't so stinking hot. Temperatures right now running in the 90s. We've had 54 100-degree days so far this year. We've had 22 in a row. That broke the old record on Saturday of 21. That was set back in 2001. Obviously, it took us a while to get there, and believe it or not, we probably will get to 30 on this. It's looking pretty easy with a 7-day forecast, easily filled with 100-degree days, and as nothing is expected to move in anytime after that, we could go a few days more than that. So we will see how things shape up. Today we'll make 23 in a row, and that would be 55 100-degree days. We're not too far from it at the moment. 96 degrees, winds out of the south at 6, humidity 38%. It's really just a hot, dry day out there. There is a breeze, thankfully. If we didn't have that breeze, it would allow the air to stagnate, and you can imagine downtown Austin, as the heat builds up, concrete, it kind of just sits there. It could be quite miserable if you had to get out and about, but for right now, we have a breeze. 97 in Llano, 90 in Fredericksburg, 96 here in Austin. You got some 93s, 92s, 94s, and 95 out in LaGrange. We have that 90 out in Mason. So in some places, it's not as hot, but it is going to be very hot over the next several days. Now, statewide, it has been hotter in the mornings up in Dallas. If you join us at 4:30 a.m. or any time between then and 7, we're live, and we've talked about the temperatures being in the upper 80s. Last week, we had some morning temperatures that didn't drop out of the low 90s until just briefly right before sunset. Right now in Dallas, 96 degrees. Even further up the road, 101 in Oklahoma City, 95 in Amarillo, which is not surprising, but a little more interesting because they've had cloud cover and shower activity that's cooled them down. Now, down to the south of us, 95 in Corpus Christi, 93 in Brownsville, 96 in Laredo. Temperatures in the mid-90s, a good bet for most folks, especially here. And we have that ridge of high pressure still holding us hot and dry. Showers to the north. You can see showers and clouds to the east. A little bit of shower activity near the Big Easy. Down on the coast, not much happening there. Little bits of green, not any shower activity that will make it our way, and really nothing out to the west right now. So that ridge of high pressure doesn't move much. Even if it does, we're in the middle of such a large area of high pressure that its movement doesn't change much for us. We won't see any rain make it our way over the next couple of days, and looks like it'll be hot and dry after that. So 104 for the high today. Winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We might be able to go higher than that. My concern is we called for 94 at noon. We're at 96 right now. We're likely, I'm going to guess, probably 99 at the top of the hour. Given that, maybe 104 is a little too easy. Maybe we could go a degree hotter. But remember, a lot of the other temperatures weren't to the same degree that we had, so a lot of folks, most folks won't see that, but some folks may see it a little hotter. 78 degrees, the overnight low. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10. 7-day forecast, 104s for today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. Morning lows in the upper 70s. Now, that's halfway through the week. Looking at the weekend. Doesn't change much, down a degree or so. It doesn't help us much. And of course, a good way to help out, if you want to help, familyeldercare.org. If you can help out with them, they're making sure that local folks also stay cool that don't have AC with those box fans, which you can still donate. More information at their website as well.
All right, thanks, Sean. Well, coming up.